Thank you for joining me. I'm Anthony Antoine. On tonight's Breaking Bond, two men convicted of violent crimes and sentenced to decades in prison are free on bond tonight after being granted new trials by the same judge. Here's Fox 26's Randy Wallace with the latest in his ongoing series.
58-year-old Patrick Burton and 46-year-old Aaron Bain Wright were both convicted and sentenced by a jury of their peers. Burton got 26 years for sexual assault. The jury sentenced Wright to 50 years for allegedly shooting his ex-wife.
On June 28, 2021, my ex-husband broke into my house and attacked me. He shot me 5 times with the children in the house.
Trust me, his intent was for her to die. No ifs, ands, or buts. But he lives. She lives. Gets 50 years. Jury nailed him. 50 years. The evidence was overwhelming.
Wright and Burton are not on their way to prison. They are both free on $75,000 bonds. Why? Because 263rd Criminal Court Judge Melissa Morris granted them both new trials. Wright's attorneys filed a motion for a new trial based on prosecutorial misconduct.
You cannot ever comment on a defendant's failure to testify. And if that means granting a motion for a new trial and doing it over again, then that's what has to happen.
Judge Morris granted Burton a new trial because a visiting judge denied the defense's request for a continuance.
I got concerns for both victims in this case, particularly the victim of an aggravated sexual assault that waited close to 5 years for a resolution in this case. The guy's back out on bond knowing full well, I just got 26 years. What's going to happen to me in the next trial?
Maybe I should run. Maybe I should retaliate against those that testified against me. Maybe I should make sure that the people that testified against me aren't going to testify against me again by intimidating them, by threatening them. There's so many different things that could happen.
All right, back in the studio, Randy Wallace joining me now here, Randy, and I got to ask about those bond amounts. Could it have been raised instead?
Yes. Now, the DA's office did request that Wright's bond, the guy who allegedly shot his ex-wife 5 times, they wanted his bond raised to $500,000, but the judge said no to that.
All right, Randy Wallace, another breaking bond for us. Interesting stuff, to say the least.
Thank you, sir.
And